Hi everyone, Jennifer here. Today I'm going to be sharing a really quick and easy coffee cake recipe. It's a sugar cinnamon coffee cake recipe and it's perfect for fall. So we are going to be using a recipe from this cookbook from Amish and Mennonite kitchens. I really love Amish cookbooks because they are so simple. They have simple ingredients and it's just really easy to use. So I'm going to be making this quick sugar and cinnamon coffee cake. So let's get started. Okay, in this bowl here I have 1.5 cups of flour. It actually calls for cake flour. I'm using all-purpose, so I'll let you know how that works out. I have 2/3 cup of sugar, and then I'm going to add to this 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. And that is that. I'm going to sift this into the KitchenAid. It's got flour absolutely everywhere. Okay, now I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. So I have here 1/4 cup of shortening melted, 1 egg, 1/2 cup of milk, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm just going to beat this all together. Okay. This is a very easy cake. I'm just going to put this really thick batter into just a prepared cake pan that's been sprayed with cooking spray. I'm going to spread it out here. In this bowl I'm going to do the crumb mixture, which is 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and to this I'm just going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Actually, I just read that I'm actually supposed to put this on after the cake bakes. So I'm just going to let this sit then for a second. I'm going to bake this now at 350 degrees for 25 minutes and I'll come back and put the topping on. Okay, the cake is out of the oven and I have reheated the topping and I'm just going to drizzle that right on top. There's all the butter and sugar. Cinnamon. Oh my goodness, this looks really good. Like a very rustic cake. I got some of the butter over there. Okay, let's go ahead and slice into this. That's what it looks like. And this is the side. So of course I'm going to enjoy this with a cup of tea, and I'm going to try this cake for the first time and let you know how I like it. It's absolutely delicious. I love it. It's dense, it's moist. It tastes like fall with the cinnamon and the brown sugar. It's really delicious. So this is a very simple sugar cinnamon coffee cake. Really good. I highly recommend it. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur. I'm doing this video as part of Falon from Moss Family TV's Fall Food Fridays. So I just wanted to share this fall cinnamon coffee cake recipe with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Daily Connoisseur, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!